Ground conditions are pretty decent. Got a little bit of crust on top, but the ground's working pretty good. I've got my hired guys, they're already running field cultivators this morning. Like I said, we're going to have about 600 acres that we can plant by Monday. We've got quite a few more acres after that to go. I've got my puck installed in my planting tractor this morning and in our drill yesterday, and I've got one more planter yet to do this morning. Things I'm kind of looking forward to this year is we just started with Farmobile last fall, and what I saw data-wise collecting through our combines was just phenomenal. And with their new add-on of being able to put your variety in to knowing what you're planting and where it's at and seeing it is going to be great help to us. We do some seed production beans for a couple companies, and knowing exactly where I've got what is going to be a great help, especially when it comes down to when I go to post spraying, because being able to grow GT27s, the E3s, I don't want to have any mess ups when we go into spraying. Another thing I like is when I've got it on my fertilizer spreader going, I can actually see what I'm putting on, and running the variable rate products off of yield data off the Farmobile has been very nice. Just being able to collect it from the Pro 700s and go into a John Deere format when I do my variable rate has been a great help.